Stop buying those pricey multigrain milk. Today, I'm going to show you how to make fiber-rich, high-protein, antioxidant-packed multigrain milk right at home. Not only is it great for your skin and digestion, but it's also super easy, affordable, and ready in just 26 minutes. Plus, did you know that purple sweet potatoes have 17% more antioxidants than other potatoes? So what makes this multigrain milk so special? It's not only the wholesome, healthy ingredients, but also the surprisingly simple process. With a mix of soybeans, adzuki beans, and a few other seeds and grains, we'll create a creamy, delicious, and nutrient-packed drink. Want to see how it's done? Let's get started. Instant drinks often contain additives like preservatives, excess sugar, and artificial flavors that aren't great for our health. By making it ourselves, we can ensure that the ingredients used are natural and high quality without any unnecessary additives. Plus, we can adjust the sweetness and flavor to taste and get the maximum benefits from all the nutrients. It's a healthier, cheaper, and much more satisfying way. The process to make it is also pretty simple. To make this multigrain milk, first we'll need some basic ingredients like soybeans, mung beans, black soybeans, adzuki beans, lentils, quinoa, poppy seeds, sesame seeds, and black sesame seeds. For detailed measurements, you can check the description below. Mix all these ingredients together and set them aside. For every 600 milliliters of water, I use 25 grams of mixed grains. After washing the grains under running water, soak them in water and let them sit for at least 4 hours. We'll also add purple sweet potato to boost flavor and bring out that gorgeous color. Start by boiling 100 grams of purple sweet potato with 600 milliliters of water. Add more water if you like a thinner texture. Once the potato is soft, add in 25 grams of the soaked grain blend, 1 teaspoon of rolled oats, half a pandan leaf for aroma, a pinch of salt, and 1 to 2 dates for natural sweetness. Blend everything until it's smooth and creamy. The result? A vibrant, nutritious drink that's not only beautiful, but also delicious. For a quicker and easier process, you can use a soy milk maker like the one I'm using here. With this device, all you need to do is add all the ingredients into the soy milk maker, turn it on, and let it do the work. In no time, your multigrain milk will be ready to enjoy right at home. Easy, right? If you're interested in getting one for yourself, just check out the shopping cart on the left. Now imagine using this multigrain milk as a base for a smoothie bowl. Top it with fresh fruits, granola, and your favorite toppings. The combination of creamy purple sweet potato and nutrient-rich grains makes for a breakfast that's not only healthy, but also colorful and flavorful. A smoothie bowl full of fiber and vitamins is sure to kickstart your day with a smile. See how easy it is to make multigrain milk? It's not just healthy, but also a fun way to enjoy more grains and beans in a tasty way. From purple sweet potatoes to soybeans, each ingredient brings big benefits for your body. So, what are you waiting for? Try making it at home and feel the difference. Don't forget to share your results with us. Let us know how it turns out.